Prospecting for industrial space users using Database USA's Data View tool. Here, say that we're looking within the city of Portland, Oregon, and we're interested specifically in who prospective industrial clients might be. If we go into major industry group in the keyword or business type, we could look at businesses that are typically associated with industrial space, like construction, manufacturing, transportation, and wholesale. When we perform a search, we'll see a list of the 12,915 businesses in Portland that are engaged in those types of businesses. If we wanted to revise our search and we knew that we would only be interested in working with a tenant that has a pretty substantial number of tenants. If we go to employee size and we only select businesses that have over 500 locations, we can go in and we can search. And so now instead of looking at 12,915 businesses with our filtered employee count, we get that number down to 819, a more manageable list for our prospecting for industrial clients.